But you are still pursuing a strategy, just as the Civil Rights Movement did, the legal strategy of the Civil Rights Movement, and other great reform initiatives that we've seen. It's a strategy that accepts the system, that the system we have is the system we're going to have, and it accepts that it has to be reformed. And it is essentially, as you referred to earlier, rather than waiting on the people to for their views to change and to change the politicians, it's using the Constitution to force systems to conform to the Constitution. Is our system so flawed that it can't really be repaired?
No, I actually think history teaches us that if there's courage, if there's hope, if people are willing to fight, you will need a rights framework to advance things. What history teaches me is that you can be a minority. You can be someone who doesn't have power. You can be someone who can't get the masses to support you and still assert your right to be human, to be protected, to be free from bias and discrimination. And if there is justice, that right will be heard. I feel in some ways that we've given away too much credit. Enslaved people, indigenous people, immigrant people own this nation. We're not visitors. We're not guests. We created the wealth and the power and the creativity and the culture. We own it. And we shouldn't give it away to people because they say you don't belong, because they say you're an immigrant, you're black, you're brown, you're indigenous. And if we own it, then we have to use our voices to control it, to participate in it. And I don't mean at the exclusion of someone else, I mean as an equal partner with other people. And that's why I'm not interested in some radically different system for the sake of radicalism. I'm interested in some radically different results through any means available. And we've got lots of means in front of us if we can utilize them.